Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited. This case has been reported in 453 ITR, page number 14. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 2nd January 2023. In this case, the notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee on a ground which was already the subject matter of 263 revision. Meaning thereby that in this case, first of all, the assessment of the assessee was completed. Then the Commissioner of Income Tax issued the notice under section 263 for doing the revision for two grounds. When the assessee submitted his explanation, the Commissioner of Income Tax dropped the proceedings under section 263 on both the grounds. We have seen in a very rare cases that the Commissioner of Income Tax or the Income Tax Officer dropped the proceedings by considering the submissions or by considering the objections of the assessee. But this was a classic case. When these proceedings were dropped, after that again, notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee on one of the ground which was the subject matter of the revision proceedings which were dropped by the Commissioner of Income Tax. When assessee received this notice, it was the contention of the assessee before the assessing officer in its objections that the same CIT has dropped the proceedings under section 263, so the same CIT cannot give the approval for issuing the notice under section 148. It shows that the approval given under section 151 is without application of mind. But the assessing officer did not consider these objections and go ahead with the assessment. The assessee filed the writ petition against this section 148 notice. And the High Court said that the approval in the given case is without application of mind because the same rank officer considered the objections of the assessee and dropped the proceedings under section 263. So the same officer cannot give the approval for issuing the notice under section 148 on the same subject matter. Because if it happens, then it shows that the Commissioner of Income Tax, without giving the approval under section 158 for issuing the notice under section 148, has not examined the assessment records, has not examined the revision records. So in this case, according to the High Court, the approval was just a ritual, it was just a formality. So the High Court entertained the writ of the assessee. The department did not stop here. The department filed the special writ petition against the writ order of the High Court, and the Supreme Court upheld the order of the High Court and said that in this case the CIT has given the approval without the mandate of section 158. Only giving the approval is not necessary. Approval means due care, approval means application of mind, approval means the examination of the records before the Commissioner of Income Tax, that is assessment records, revision records and the complete records of the assessee for that assessment year. If the records are not considered and the approval is given just in say yes or no, so in that case the approval is without application of mind, and the Supreme Court upheld the order of the writ court and said that in this case the notice was issued without application of mind because the basis for issuing the notice under section 148 was the subject matter of the drop proceedings by the same Commissioner of Income Tax under section 263. So in this case, the Supreme Court quashed the notice. Friends, this is a perfect example that how the approvals are given in our income tax department. We all know that the proposals for issuing the notice under section 148 or for issuing the show cause notice under section 148A clause B or for passing the orders under section 148A clause D, all are done at the fag end. So it is practically impossible for our commissioners, for our bigger approving authorities to give the approval in a sensible manner. at the end of this video. Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited, and this case has been reported in 453 ITR at page number 14. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 2nd January 2023. Thank you, friends.